Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and for those of you who are new here, my name is Tiffany Beaston from Beauty and the Beastons, and today I am taking over my sister's kitchen and just completely decluttering and reorganizing it. I cannot wait for you to see this before and after transformation. It seriously came out so beautifully. Everything I got in this video for organization was from Home Goods and very affordable. But yeah, stay tuned if you want to see how this all looks after I get my hands on it. So in the past, I have done everything at once, like the KonMari method, take literally everything out and then put things back that way. But I found that to be really overwhelming for me, and you don't have to do it that way. You can do cabinet by cabinet if you want, and this goes for anything in your home that you're decluttering. Like, for example, I have done drawer by drawer of clothing instead of all of the clothing at once. It just really prefers on your preference and how you're feeling that day. So the first thing we did was just empty out her spice cabinet and her baking cabinet. Got rid of duplicates by putting the extras away in the basement. And then we also got rid of things that were expired and just combined things to make more space. The one thing that I wish we would have done was ordered the spice jars from Amazon that I have, and that's all just like, they all go in little glass jars on their own versus all of the different sizes and shapes of spices. So I definitely recommend purchasing that from Amazon. This was just pretty last minute. I went to Home Goods by myself and just picked up organization items because my sister had a baby 6 months ago and she's still really in the thick of learning how to be a mommy and just crazy schedules and no sleep. So I took care of that for her. This here, like I said, is from Home Goods and it was very inexpensive. It's a great idea. It fits about, how many does it fit? 18 spices in there, so that's pretty good. We had a couple left over on the side, but like I said, she is going to order those little glass jars to make more space and just to make it look more tidy. But I definitely recommend this. I think they sell one like this on Amazon as well, and if I can find it, I'll have everything linked below for you. Next, I'm just putting things away, trying to make it make sense in size order. And one thing that I really thought about this entire time is, what do you use the most and what can I make more convenient for you? Because you can organize, but if you're shoving things all the way in the back that you use every single day, you're just going to wind up making a mess. Perfect. It looks so much better in there. Make sure you stay tuned till the end of the video. I'm going to do side by sides of before and afters. So now I am moving on to the baking stuff, and this is one of my favorite places to organize because there's so many things in bags that can go in jars and just be more tidy and make the most space for you. So I did this in my kitchen as well. You may have seen that video, but I just picked up mason jars from Michael's craft store, and now I'm using my label maker just to label everything so we know what they are since we're taking them out of their original bags. I also want to say, make sure you're looking for expiration dates before you do this. You can write that on the jar as well. But yeah, this is just really helpful and makes everything look nice and tidy. And you can see if you're running out of something or what's low. It just works out really well. If you've seen other of my organizing videos or cleaning videos, I'm sure you've seen these turntables, but they're a great idea. It just makes it easier to find things and organize things and get to things because they just spin around and they are perfect. This is really inexpensive. This was like $7 and it just makes the world of difference. But I love so much how all of that stuff came out. Now I'm moving on to organizing the cake decorating items. Seriously, so pleased with how this came out. It is just so satisfying and beautiful. Now, this is something else. Full transparency here, this video took all day to film and only came out to 24 minutes after I was finished editing it, but I had to leave at one point to go nurse Ella, so Crystal is taking out everything from this cabinet for me, and when I get back, I'm going to organize it. I picked up these pasta containers because most people have pasta in their house at all times anyway, but I know that my sister uses a lot of edamame pasta as well as black bean pasta. So try to think about things in your house that are staples that you always have, and what's a way that you can organize that better and just make your life easier and more tidy. Next, I'm just going in and rearranging these shelves as well. Most of you may not know that it's really easy to change your shelves in your kitchen. A lot of times it's just like a little type of screw that pulls right out and just inserts easily, no tools needed. The hardest part about this was just that it was a really awkward shape, so it was hard for me to take them out and put them back in. But it worked out perfectly and everything came out amazing over here as well. As most of you know, my entire downstairs is being worked on right now, so I don't really have a house to film my normal videos. So not only was I happy to do this for my sister, I was happy to get back into that organizing. We also just got a pantry built in our mudroom, so I'm excited for videos for me to organize my new pantry as well. So just stay tuned for all of the videos. There's so much to do. It's almost like we got a new house, but our old house, our original house, was just renovated and it just feels so fresh and so new. And I'm excited for all the videos that have to come with it. Moving on to under the sink. So many of us have way too many cleaning products. I was guilty of it as well, but my sister got on board with the clean, non-toxic lifestyle as well. She watched the documentary Stink, and now that is the only cleaning product she needs in her house, and she doesn't have to worry about it being toxic for her or her family. Another thing that I really like to do is to take products out of the boxes, put the bottles and stuff together, just make more space in any way that you can. I absolutely love how this came out. It's nice and organized and tidy, and she will be able to easily find anything in here that she needs. Now we're starting the fridge organization. I love this container that has a handle on it. I really want this for my fridge now. But yeah, how easy is that to be able to pull it out? All of the things that she uses on a daily basis, like half and half, coconut water, and things like that. I love using these containers for eggs because for most people, the little acrylic containers that are made for just 1 dozen of eggs does not work. Everyone asks how I know if they expire and things like that. We go through eggs so quickly in our house, so this works out perfectly. I buy eggs every single week. I pretty much should just buy myself a chicken, but I don't need anything else to take care of right now. My sister is the same way. They go through a ton of eggs as well, so that's how they know that their eggs do not expire. They don't crack in here. This is just a perfect way to store them. Now I'm just going to show all of the before and afters because seriously, it's so satisfying. So I hope that you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. And if you want to check out my sister, she makes stories about her life as a new mom on her Instagram at k.ordini. Again, I hope that you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more organizational videos. We have so much coming up. All the routine videos, all the cleaning videos, all the organization, and of course, cooking videos. So stay tuned.
Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find a light in your soul.